Welcome back to my channel, guys. One thing is for sure, there's always an AI tool for you, and there are always free AI tools. So right now I want to show you 5 free AI video generator tools you can use as of now. So you go try it out right now. So I'm going to list out 5 for you that you can use. So the first one I want to list out is Vheer. So just look for Vheer right here. Look for Vheer. So look for Vheer.com. So I'll go to Vheer.com. You might not actually know how to go about using it, but here is Vheer.com. So what I want you to do is to try to use this. As you could see, it says free unlimited AI image and video studio. That is very important. That's the keyword right there. This unlimited AI image and video studio. So right now I want you to click on image to image. So you could see image to image generator. You could see text to image generator. So the first thing you will do is to create an image from your text. Yes. So come to Vheer.com, and here you're going to generate image from text. So click on generate image right here, and right now you'll be able to generate your image. So you see it produce better and faster image and support our programs with the Pro Max model. Let's look at their pricing. By the way, it has a pricing, but you can use it for free, like I said. So you could see all VA products, free and unlimited, no watermark. Pro and Max models are not available, but you could see there are a lot of free and unlimited version for it. So all you have to do now is to come right here to look for something to create. So I'm just going to look for random thing to create, and you can see right here, if you want to use Pro model, you see right here, you see Max model right here, but I'm using the quality model, which is unlimited and free. So I'll generate my image right away with this prompt. I don't have to look for a prompt right now. So you can input your prompt and see how this works. So you could see my request is being processed and my image will be ready shortly. So this is one of those two you're going to use for free to generate videos and images, and you're going to use it in an unlimited way. You don't have to subscribe or anything. So let's wait for the image to text to process. Once we have an image from text to image, we can now go ahead to convert it to a video. So let's see how that goes. So here it is. It generated the image for us. So what I noticed about this tool is that it took a while to generate the image, and here you have your image right here. So now we can now use image to video generator. So now we have our image to text to image generator. Then you can now come to image to video generator as well to use your video to image generator. So what I noticed about this tool is that it took a while. Yes, it took a while, and that took a whole lot of time. But then you have your image to video, you have your video to image. So let's see how that goes. So this is the image we generated, just a sample. You can come directly to your image to video maker, then start using it right here. So all you have to do now is to input your basic prompt description. Yes, you could input that and you generate a prompt. You could see there's a prompt generator right there that generates the prompt for you, and you could have a camera prompt. There's a prompt generator for that as well. Then you choose your MP4, of course, then your seconds should be 5 seconds, of course, and you use your quality model again, then you generate. So the only disadvantage to this very one is that it takes time to actually convert image to video, and it takes time to actually convert text to image. At max, for what I calculated, it was about 2 minutes to generate an image. I will tell you how many minutes it took to generate a video. So let me move to the next one. Let me move to the second one right now. To my surprise, this was kind of fast. This one took less than 1 minute, by the way. So this was kind of fast. This is like a 4 seconds video. So this is the first one. We generated image for free and we generated video for free. Go try it out. You can use it in an unlimited way. As you could see, it says unlimited and free here. So the next one I want to introduce you to is coin.ai. So look for coin.ai. So this is coin right now, and I'm going to use coin to generate video. So this is your coin, and you see video generation right here. So you choose your video generation. So it takes you to where you'll be able to use the video generation model. Right here in coin, you have your auto, you have your thinking, then you have every other thing. So you have different coin models right here. So what you want to do now is transform yourself into a 3D character. You could do any of that, by the way, and you could actually create image, you create video. So the create video is not supported in guest mode. All you have to do is to try to log in or sign up. So when you try to sign up, you see try to sign up with email. So come to this website, www.bullardcreative.com. This website is where you can get discounted tools as well. So you can get discounted tools and as well get free tools you could use. So discounted tools in terms of you can get ChatGPT Plus, Canva, at a cheaper rate. You can get all these tools. You can get Cloud AI at a cheaper rate right here. So what I want to do now is to use the creative tool session to get a temp email. So I'm going to get a temporary email that I'm going to use. So you have different tools right here. So I'm going to use the temp email right now to use. So here I'm going to get a temp email. So here is temp email being opened, and what I want to do now is to use temp email to create an account. So here is temp email right now. All I have to do is to copy the email address that will be given to me, as you could see. So I have an email address right here. All I have to do is come and input it here. So I'm going to paste the temp email right here, and I'm going to agree with this. And my full name could be anything, of course. It could be my actual name. So let me just input my actual name right here, beloved 1234 ASDF. So let's create that right now. So I'm going to create an account right away, and it creates an account for me. This account is pending activation. Please activate your account through the verification email in your inbox. So a verification email was sent to me. Let me check that. So this is my verification email right here. All I have to do is to get that right now. So this is coin right here. So I want to activate my account. I'm going to click on activate account, and it takes me to where these accounts will be activated. So here is coin chat. So let's see what that has to offer us. So this is what is new and everything. So all you have to do is to close this, and all you have to do now is to take your create video. So I want to create video right now. So to create video, you see create video, and you choose your layout. If it's 1:1, if it's 16:9, 1:1 means square, 16:9 means landscape. So you could actually describe your video and say a G-Wagon in the forest, a G-Wagon in the forest. So let's see what that result will be like. So there we have the coin chart, and that will create a free video for you. The next one I want to talk about is quite popular, which is Grok.com. Everyone knows Grok.com, so I don't have to do too much with that. And with Grok.com, you'll be able to generate videos as well. And the last one I'll talk about too is Upsampler. So Upsampler is free and you don't need to sign up. So use Upsampler free dash image generator dash no sign up. You have to make sure this is the right link you use so that you'll be able to use this for free. So that will be the fifth one. So this last one, you could use the free AI video generator, and all you have to do is to input your prompt right here to generate video. But the one I use the most is I use the AI image generator. Once I generate my image with AI, so I could use any of these. This is Quen image right here. I'll use Quen image as the model I want to use. Then I can now say a G-Wagon car in the forest, and I'll choose my ratio right here. It could be an aspect ratio 1:1. It could be 9:16 or 16:9. So I'm going to generate my image right here. Once I have an image generated, then I can now convert it to a video anime. So this generates image for me. Then I'm going to go convert it. So this is the image it generated, which is looking good, by the way. So all I have to do is to download it, and you can use this unlimited as well. So all you have to do is to go back to where you're coming from. So right now, let's use Grok to generate video from the image we created on Upsampler. So I'm going to bring in the image right here, and right now I could use Grok to generate video. All I have to do is click on my image and say I want to edit. So having to edit right now, I'll just make a video out of it. So I'll click on make video. Then Grok makes video from this easily. So all I have to do now is to input my prompt. So I could change from edit image to make a video. So right now, all I have to do is to say a speeding car in the forest. All I have to do is to write a prompt, then I'm going to have it sent. So you could choose to make video, you could choose to edit image, but I chose to make video, and right now a video will be made for me. So that's how to use all these tools, by the way. Go try them out one by one and see the one that works best for you. Tell me in the comment section which one works better for you and which one you prefer, or which workflow would you use. Would you use in between the Vheer.com to CoinChat or to Grok or Upsampler that has the free version? So Upsampler with free video generator, no sign up. Always make sure this is behind your upsampler.com, because if you go to Upsampler directly, you will have to pay. But always make sure this is behind it, and you could try them out one by one. Just tell me in the comment section which one works best for you, and go try out these websites where I showed you, where you could get discounted AI tools from ChatGPT Business to CapCut Pro. So all form of AI tools you use are right here at discounted rate. So instead of you to pay 333,000 for Cloud AI, for instance, you pay just 20,000, and CapCut Pro as well. So you can go check these websites out. So this is the video I'm generating right now. So that's the perfect workflow for you. So we're able to do all this for free without having to care about signing in or having to pay for any of it. I hope to see you on the next one. If you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do remember to subscribe. I hope to see you on another one. Bye for now.